Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and I hope you guys are doing really well. So today's video is about the top 5 questions that I have been mostly asked in the YouTube channel during my workshops and also on my Instagram post. So I thought why not I address these questions. All these questions are related to perfectly baking your sponge. So I'll be sharing all the details in this video. But before that, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. So the first question that is mostly asked is why doesn't my cake rise? So let me tell you the few reasons why this happens. First reason would be that my recipe is not correct. The second can be that the leavening agents has expired. So by leavening agents, I mean the baking powder and baking soda. And the third reason will be that there is no balance in my recipe. So might be that the proportion of the milk quantity and your oil quantity, it might not be the same. There might be a lot of difference in it. Now the second question is, why does my cake sink? So there could be two reasons that your cake sinks. The first can be that you're opening your cake door every time. So you're not letting your cake bake completely and then we get excited and we want to see that how is my cake baking. So what we'll do is out of excitement, we'll keep opening and closing the oven door. So that is one of the major reasons why your cake sinks. The second reason is there is a temperature difference. So you might be baking your cake at a very high temperature or baking your cake at a very low temperature or just fluctuating between them. So the third question now we come to is why does my cake has so many cracks or why does it have a dome? So this could possibly happen that you're baking at a very high temperature and in order to avoid this, I usually bake all my cakes, even the gluten-free cake, at 160 degrees. If you bake at a lower temperature, and that's especially for gluten-free cakes, you will have your sponge which is crack-free and you will get a flatter top. So do try this tip. Now we come to the fourth question. Why is my cake always too mushy, too soggy, or too oily? Usually your cakes are mostly oily, soggy, or mushy. It's because of the fat quantity. So if you're using too much of fat quantity and lesser of dry ingredients, this could lead to that result. So here is question number 5. Why is my cake so dense, so tough and dry? And let me tell you, the most important mistake that even I used to make when I started my baking career is over mixing my cake batter. So make sure that you do not over mix your cake batter too much and do not bake it at a very high temperature or over bake your cakes. And there also could be a reason that the fat quantity in your cakes is a lot. So try to balance the fat quantity in your. I hope you like this video. Please put in the comment section if you have any other queries regarding baking and I will address it in the next video.